Class 7, we are going to start our book Guided English. Open your lesson number 1, The Mouse, Deer, and the Tiger. This lesson is actually a story. It's a very interesting story, and in the first paragraph, the introduction of the story is given to us. What we are told is that many countries have stories about small, weak creatures, animal or people who can outwit bigger, stronger creature. So it's mean that they are telling us that in all the countries there are many stories in which we can know that the smaller creatures sometimes more clever, more intelligent and more wise than the stronger and bigger creature. And even the animals can talk and behave like the human being. So this story belongs to Malaysia. This is Malaysian story. Malaysia has many stories like this. People in other countries like to read them, especially one about the mouse deer. So main character of that story is mouse deer. It's an animal. He is small and not very strong, but he is quick and clever. And only because of these qualities he was able to save his life from the lion. Have you read this story? They are asking you one question. Have you already listened that story? Even though you have listened that story, even then you can find it much more interesting. So let's start the story. One hot day in the forest, the mouse deer heard the tiger coming. He knew that the tiger would want to eat him, so he quickly thought of a trick. Why he thought of a trick, why he didn't decide to fight with the king? Because he was not very much stronger. He was not such a bigger creature to fight with the lion, with the tiger. So, as he was clever, he thought of a plan. When the tiger appeared, the mouse deer pretended to be guarding some rotten leaves. So when tiger appeared there, he just show off that he was doing some very important duty. He was protecting something that is very special. What is that? Asked the tiger. It's food, said the mouse deer, but it's very special food. It's the king's food and I am guarding it. So, on questioning the tiger, he just replied that I am guarding, I am protecting a special food, it's a royal food. And on his words, the king became fool and he thought that who else is king except me? I am the king of the forest. So, this food should belong to me. So, I should taste that food. Royal food, said the tiger. I must taste that. You can't, cried the mouse deer. It's the king's food. He ran away into the jungle. So, on saying these words, he just ran into the jungle. And why he ran into the jungle? Because he knew that he is telling a lie, and he also knew that on making him a fool, the king is now spent some time in eating the food. But when he found that he was telling lie, he definitely ran after him. So, immediately he ran into the forest. So the tiger took a huge bite at the leaves. He expected them to taste delicious, but they didn't. They were only rotten leaves. With a growl of anger, the tiger ran after the mouse deer. So as the tiger was expecting that it was very delicious food, but against his expectation, it was just leaves and rotten leaves, as the mouse deer was telling lie. So, on tasting that leaves, he became very much angry and he started to run after the mouse deer again. The mouse deer then found a long, bright colored snake which was asleep. He sat down near it. When the tiger appeared, growling with rage, the mouse deer said, Be quiet. I am guarding the king's belt. It's a magic belt. The person who wears it can wish for anything that he wants. That is why only the king can wear it. Now, again, second time, he is going to make the tiger fool. And the tiger was such a stupid that he again accept the words of mouse deer. He just believed in his words that it was a magic belt and anyone who wear it, his any wish can be fulfilled. So he wanted to take that belt again. So stupid tiger began to try to persuade the mouse deer to let him wear the belt. Please let me wear it, he said. I want to have one wish, then I will return it to you. Of course, he really intended to keep it. The mouse deer refused at first, then he pretended that the tiger had persuaded him. So Tiger was requesting, just give me that belt for a few minutes. I want to fulfill my one wish. But actually, he was also telling a lie. He did not have any intention to return that belt to Mouse Deer. And Mouse Deer, he also showing off that on insisting of the tiger, he is forced to give that belt to him. But actually, it was not a belt, it was a snake, and he knew about it. So he said him that don't wear it, don't put it on until I have gone, because he knew that it was not a belt, and on finding out the truth, definitely the tiger would attack him. So he quickly ran off into the forest. Then the tiger tried to put it on, and the snake woke up. It was very much angry and it wrapped itself around the tiger and bit it. After a hard struggle, the tiger managed to escape. He ran after the mouse deer, screaming with rage. Now he is much more angry than before, and after escaping from the snake with very great difficulty, now he is again running after the mouse deer. I shall kill you, he shouted at the top of his voice. But the mouse deer was calmly standing by a large round thing. When the tiger appeared, he didn't seem to be afraid. Why he was not afraid? Because he thought of some other plan to make the king fool. Please be quiet, he said to the tiger. Can't you see what I am doing? I am guarding this drum. It's a royal drum. It belongs to the king. Only the king may play it. It's not it beautiful? It makes a beautiful sound, but I can't let you play it. I will play it, roared the tiger. If you try to stop me, I will eat you. Now run away. So, when the mouse deer showed off that it's very beautiful drum, again the tiger became fool on the words of mouse deer, and he persuaded him to let him play with that drum. But actually, it was not a drum. What was that? As the mouse deer ran off, the tiger struck the drum a great blow with his paw, thinking that thing was not a drum, it was a bee's nest. Now what happened? The angry bees flew out and stung the tiger until he ran off into the forest and was never seen again. I may be small, said the mouse deer, but I am clever. So, out of his wisdom, he just saved his life from the tiger, who was very much strong, but he was very much fool also. He was a foolish personality. Hope you understand the story and you also enjoy the story. Next day we will do exercise, inshallah.